Hi students! In this English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to make the
R
sound.
Today, we're looking at the R sound. Can you make the R sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth slightly. Now, place your tongue midway back in your mouth. Next, lower your tongue to the bottom of your mouth. Remember to keep your tongue flat. Last, pucker your lips. Let's try putting all those steps together. Are you ready? Try making the sound in your throat. You should feel your vocal cords vibrating.
Now it's time to practice. First, try pronouncing the words, phrases, and sentences that appear on the screen. Then, listen carefully to the words, phrases, and sentences again. Finally, practice pronouncing them again based on what you have heard. Let's get started.
These are words with
R
sounds. Let's say them.
Wrong, wrong. Water, water. Grass, grass.
Drive, drive.
Throw, throw.
Now let's try longer phrases.
A wrong answer. Water flowers. And the grass. Drive a truck. Throw a bowl.
Now let's try the following sentences.
It's a wrong answer. Sarah is watering carrots in the garden. There's a flower in the grass. He can drive a truck very well. Let's throw a ball in the yard.
Can you read these conversations?
Is that answer correct? No, it's wrong.
Where is your sister? She's watering the trees outside.
Do you want to play catch?
Sure. Throw the ball.
All right, everyone. It's time for us to go back and review what we've learned together. Let's see how much we still remember.
Wrong. Water, grass.
Drive,
Throw,
A wrong answer. Water flowers. And the grass. Drive a truck. Throw a bowl.
It's a wrong answer. Sarah is watering carrots in the garden. There's a flower in the grass. He can drive a truck very well. Let's throw a ball in the yard. Is that answer correct? No, it's wrong.
Where is your sister? She's watering the trees outside.
do you want to play catch?
Sure. Throw the ball.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Take care and see you next time.